already had advices on this sense, which is really find a quiet corner. We even have some kind of surface. Okay, now you know it, 14 to 17 square feet. But now the real thing. It's about circumambulation. So really slow walking. And it says, okay, start slowly and just walk. And start slowly too, to just recite aloud. And the text says it. It is really a practice of making one with body, mind, and feeling the universe. So body, mind, and the realm around us. Just one into sound. So it's a practice of unifying our body, our mind, and what's around us through the medium of recitation. That is very linked. I won't go too much into that, but through the circulation, the inner circulation of inner breath, chi. You begin slowly, and it is always the same thing when we chant. First, it is a bit difficult. Our voice, our breath isn't very deep, and it goes deeper and deeper and deeper, and our mind is also more and more and more concentrated in the practice. There is also a practice where you do that fully, really. You walk and you recite. Fully, 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 fully. Just, you keep one mind. Just. And then someone, generally with an incense board, Japanese call that kyosaku, a stick, hits the wooden ground. Bam! It makes a loud noise. Just they hit the ground. Actually, in Chinese places, sitting halls, it happens all the time. Stuck! Very common type of sound. Interestingly, the Korean chukpi in the hand is kind of like that. But imagine yourself totally reciting, totally listening, not just seated, but now with your body. The golden chain, the golden circle of fully reciting, fully listening is in movement. Just one. It is you. And the real, whatever is around you, just one. The 10 universe, the 10 directions, just one. And then, BAM! That's a wonderful practice to just open you up. And you are supposed then to not move and just pay attention. So that's another version of that same practice, which of course you can't do alone. There are two types of individual retreats, practice retreat alone. One where you are really alone, and that isn't possible, and one where you are actually isolated in some ways, and you don't have contact with the exterior, but there are people around you to feed you and to beat the ground to wake you up when you circumambulate. So that's that was recitation within recitation. So now, let me see what time it is. I don't want to make this too long. Yeah, we will end up here. and do the next one, 17 of our booklet, Recitation in the Light of the Self-Mind, for the next time. I don't want this to be too dense, but it will just follow the same path. So we've discovered fully reciting, fully listening, and it is the fruit of the practice we've established in the first part. And then we understand really that recitation and listening are just one. Avalokiteshvara and Master Maprata, these two bodhisattvas, the Shurangama, were showing us a way to gather, to tie the 18 elements into one element. And then we've seen that, okay, that can be done sitting, that can be done also in movement. It actually allows us to have a more deep breathing, and breathing is very linked to our mind to our body, and everything is not one, not two. In this case, not one, not three. So not the same, not different. And we've seen then that this practice, this wonderful practice, is also sometimes used to just wake us up. And in our retreats, we actually practice the circumambulation, saying the Buddha's name quicker and quicker and quicker, and then PAM! So, Amin Tofo.